Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on our channel dedicated to smart savings. Today I'm sharing with you 20 fantastic ideas for saving money on grocery shopping. Are you ready? Let's get started. Idea 1. Make a shopping list. Before heading to the supermarket, take a few minutes to make a detailed list of the items you need. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and reduce waste. Idea 2. Take advantage of deals. Check local flyers and take advantage of discounts on the products you're interested in. You can save a significant amount by making use of promotion. Idea 3. Buy in bulk. When you find a great deal on a non-perishable item, buy it in large quantities. This way you'll save in the long run and always have supplies on hand. Idea 4. Avoid packaged product. Packaged products often cost more than bulk items. Consider buying unpackaged products to save a few extra bucks. Idea 5. Plan weekly meals. Take the time to plan your meals for the week in advance. This will prevent you from buying unnecessary ingredients and reduce food waste. Idea 6. Experiment with vegetarian recipes. Meat can be expensive, so try incorporating more vegetarian dishes into your diet. Vegetables and legumes are often cheaper and equally nutritious. Idea 7. Start a home garden. If you have space, try growing your own vegetables and herbs. It's a fun way to save money and have fresh produce at your fingertips. Idea 8. Avoid packaged snacks. Packaged snacks are often expensive and unhealthy. Look for cheaper and healthier alternatives like fresh fruit, homemade smoothies, or protein shakes. Idea 9. Shop on a full stomach. Going to the supermarket on an empty stomach can lead to impulsive purchases of expensive and unhealthy foods. Make sure to shop after a meal to avoid unnecessary temptation. Idea 10. Buy seasonal produce. Seasonal produce is generally cheaper and of better quality. Orient your choices towards seasonal fruits and vegetables to save money. Idea 11. Use coupons. Make use of coupons and savings apps to get extra discounts on the products you regularly buy. Even saving a few bucks here and there adds up in the long run. Idea 12. Minimize waste. Get creative with leftovers and transform them into new dishes. For example, you can turn leftover meat into a tasty pasta sauce or make a soup with leftover vegetables. Idea 13. Check expiration dates. Before purchasing a product, always check its expiration date. Avoid buying items that will expire soon to prevent waste. Idea 14. Choose budget-friendly stores. Compare prices among different supermarkets in your area and choose the ones that offer the most affordable prices. You might find some surprises. Idea 15. Avoid ready-made meals. Ready-made and pre-cooked meals are often more expensive than homemade ones. Prepare your meals at home and save both money and health. Idea 16. Reduce consumption of packaged beverages. Packaged beverages can add up to significant expenses over time. Choose to drink tap water or prepare your own fresh beverages to save money. Idea 17. Buy local products. Local products often have more affordable prices compared to imported ones. Try to buy fruits, vegetables, and food products from your local area. Idea 18. Pack your lunch. Prepare your lunch at home and bring it with you to work or school. It will save you the costs of eating out and give you control over the food you consume. Idea 19. Consider discount stores. Discount stores often offer very affordable prices on a wide range of food products. Take a trip and see if you can save by choosing this option. Idea 20. Become an expert at recycling. Use food leftovers creatively to create new dishes. You can turn leftover chicken into a tasty pasta sauce or use stale bread to make delicious prosciuttos. The conclusion. There you have it, our 20 ideas for saving money on grocery shopping. I hope these tips have been helpful, and we encourage you to share some of your own in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart savings ideas. See you in the next video.